Hey guys, I'm back with another little burst of serotonin. I just got this package from Baby the Star Shine Bright about a week ago, and I wanted to do a quick look through with you guys. So I got two of the same cut sew from Baby the Star Shine Bright, one in white and one in black. It's the Air Tiny Check cut sew, but they're very soft. Baby is actually pretty good about having plus size friendly. Of course, they don't go super plus size, but if you're on the lower end of the plus size spectrum like me, especially if you have a mom bod, these are usually pretty safe for you to wear. So inside the box, I actually had two different orders from Baby San Francisco, but because they came in at the same time, they decided to ship them off together. But what I was mostly excited to receive is Kumya's Floating Sky Tea Party. So I actually already have a blouse really similar to this in all white, but I could not resist the cute little Usakumya lace on it. And then if that's not enough, it has the most adorable Usakumya ears in the back. Look how cute that is. How could I say no to that? So of course the final item is the jumper skirt. Baby the Star Shine Bright is super amazing with releasing multiple cuts that can accommodate different sizes. So while I did like the other one, this one was more bust friendly, which is why I ended up getting it. Hopefully soon I will be getting the jumper skirt for the Usakumya and the matching head bow in the second release. I just have to wait for them to come in. So this is on. Very comfortable, honestly. I still got my big ol' mom bod going on up here, and it's actually pretty comfortable, honestly. The sleeves are a little tight, but they're not anything like super uncomfortable or anything, and I think it would be a pretty easy sewing fix. Yeah, I kind of like it. Lazy cord for the movies, to my messy room. We're packing for vacations and whatnot. Fast forward to now we're on vacation, and I actually noticed on this dress that every Usakumya is actually an Usakumya or a Kumya that Baby's actually released, and I have a couple of them that are featured on this print, so that was a really cool detail that they added. I brought with me a small capsule wardrobe of Saks items to go with this dress and a couple other things. And I kind of had a hard time figuring out what I was gonna wear because it goes back and forth between being really hot and really nice, and I didn't want to fry. So this is the final look and try on of everything. Unfortunately, I didn't get a full cord photo, but I had a lot of great interactions with people, and one person even told me that my cord was cute. Ah!